Hello my dear children, today we will go with awareness skill book. Okay, let's open page number 3, sense organs. So these are the 5 sense organs. We have eye, nose, skin, tongue, ear. So you people have 2 eyes and 2 ears. Okay, so now what we have to do? Let's read. Match with the sense organ which helps you know that the ice is cold, the elephant is big, the phone is ringing, the flower smells nice, the candy is sweet. So what we have to do? We have to match with the sense organs. Okay, we have to match this all things or action, whatever, we have to match these things with the sense organs which will help you. Okay, so which of the sense organ will help you to know that the ice is cold? Yes, tell me, which of the sense organ help you to know the ice is cold? Which one will help you? When you see the ice cube in the plate, okay, that on that time will you know that ice is cold? No, you cannot. Okay. Now, when you take the ice cube in your hand, will you know the ice is cold? Yes, very good. Correct. When you hold the ice cube in your hand, that hand will sense you that ice is cold because there is a skin. Okay, so skin help you to know that is cold, hot and everything. Okay, so ice is cold. So the skin will help you to know ice is cold. So let us match these things. Okay, now fine. Then the elephant is big. How do you know the elephant is big? Do you have to touch the elephant? Full body you want to touch? And when done on that time will you be know? No. When you see from your eyes. Okay. When you see the elephant, on that time will be you know the elephant is big. Okay. The elephant is big. Which organ will help you? Yes, tell me. Through the which organ you can see? You can see the things and elephants, everything through the which organ? Yes, eyes. So through your eyes you can see the things. Yes or no? Yes. Fine. Now eyes will help you to see the elephant is big. Okay. Let us match this. Now phone is ringing. How you will be know? Phone is ringing. The phone will be somewhere else. Then you will be watching TV. Then how will you get to know the phone is ringing? Yes, tell me. By hearing. Through which organ you used to hear? Which organ will help you to hear the sounds? Yes, that is ear. Ear helps you to listen. Okay. Ear helps you to listen. So, you can listen the sound of phone ringing. Yes or no? Okay, that is good. Now, flower smells nice. How will you get to know flower smells nice? How do you smell? Yes, like that. Then which organ will help you? Yes, that is nose. Very good. Flower smells nice. So we use our nose to smell. Okay. We can smell through our nose. Okay, so flower smells nice. We will match it with nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Okay. Now candy is sweet. How do you get that candy is sweet? How could you know? Yes, tell me. When you keep it in your mouth, isn't it? So what is there inside the mouth? There is a tongue. So inside the mouth there is a tongue which helps you to taste food, any food, okay, any chocolate, any biscuit, any food or fruits, vegetables. So tongue will help you to taste the foods, okay. So candy is sweet. We can only know through the tongue. When we keep it on the tongue, when we keep the candy on the tongue, okay, the tongue will send the message that candy is sweet. So nice. Let us match this. Now, eye, nose, skin, tongue, ear. So these 5 are the sense organs. Okay, you have to practice this. Okay, very good. Okay, fine, my dear children. So eyes help you to see the things, nose help you to smell, skin helps you to touch and feel. You can feel it, no? Whenever you touch the very soft clothes and cold ice, when you touch hot vessels, so skin will help you to sense, okay. Then tongue will help you to taste. Ears, you have 2 ears, no? So ear will help you to listen the sounds, any sound, okay. So these are the 5 sense organs. Okay, my dear children. So okay, fine. So just learn these things and practice well. In the next class we will meet. Till that, take care and bye bye. Thank you, my dear children.